Our today's topic is gross margin. Here we will discuss the formula of gross margin and how to calculate it. So here we have a question. We will take some information from here to calculate gross margin. Okay. So let us look at here first of all. Ikwa is a trader who sells household furnishings. She has provided the following information. Okay, what she provided? At 30 April 2022, she has inventory, trade receivables, bank overdraft, and trade payables. For the year to 30 April 2022, there's some more information. Here sales revenue, purchases, expenses. Okay. Then we have here two adjustments. All sales and purchases are on credit. Number two here, inventory at 1st May 2021 was valued at $12,800. Okay. So see here, we have inventory at 1st May 2021 and here we have information for 30 April 2022. That means this is the accounting period. Business started its accounting period at 1st May 2021 and ended at 30 April 2022. Okay. Now, first of all, we will know the formula to calculate gross margin. Okay. It is quite simple. So, how to calculate it? We know gross margin equal to gross profit divided by sales revenue times 100. Okay. So this is our formula to calculate here gross margin. But here how to calculate gross profit? You know, gross profit equal to sales revenue minus cost of sales, right? So let us write here gross profit equal to sales revenue minus cost of sales. Okay. So now another question, how to calculate cost of sales? When the cost of sales equal to opening inventory plus purchases minus closing inventory. Okay. So here we have opening inventory which is $12,800. We have here closing inventory $14,650 and we also have purchases, right? So easily we can calculate our cost of sales and the revenue is already given here $112,300, right? Okay. So here we have revenue, it is $112,300 minus cost of sales, right? So cost of sales we know, what we know? Opening inventory, right? So opening inventory is here $12,800. So we will write here $12,800 plus purchases, right? So we have here purchases, it is $72,250. So we will write here $72,250. Okay. Then we have to subtract the closing balance. Okay. So let us subtract closing inventory. So what is the closing inventory here? It is $14,650. Okay. So let us write here $14,650. Okay. Now we'll calculate here. We'll see what is our gross profit. Okay. So here we have $112,300 minus. So we will add these two amounts and from the addition we will subtract. Okay. So what we get? We get here $70,400. Okay. So now if we subtract this amount from here, we will get $41,900. Okay. So this is our gross profit. Okay. So now we will write here the amounts. So gross profit was here, we calculated $41,900. We have here revenue $112,300. Then we will multiply by 100. Okay, so here if we divide this amount by $112,300, then if we multiply the answer by 100, we will get 37.31%. Okay, so this is our gross profit margin. So it is very simple, but you need to understand the formula to calculate gross profit, and you also have to know how to calculate gross profit. Yeah, so here gross profit equal to revenue minus cost of sales. You need to know cost of sales as well. Okay, how to calculate it. Okay, so how we calculate it? Cost of sales equal to opening inventory plus purchase closing inventory. If you have more information like purchase return, carriage inwards, then we have to minus purchase return, we have to add carriage inwards.